Lesson name is Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered the speech at Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. on 28 August 1963. In the speech, he addressed that we all are human beings and we should treat everybody equally. The speech is addressed to Negro people. 5 years ago, a great American in whose symbolic shadow we stand signed the Emancipation Proclamation. President Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation on January 1, 1863. The proclamation declared that all persons held as slaves within the rebellion state are and henceforward shall be free. This proclamation has become a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negro slaves. This proclamation is like a freedom of certificate to Negro people. Still 100 years later, the people are still suffering from discrimination. Negroes faced many problems like segregation, discrimination, etc. Negroes were not getting any profit on land of America. They find themselves exiled on their own land. The Constitution of America is like a note of promise that all Americans will enjoy their personal rights. But then also America had given the Negro people a bad check. The opportunities were not provided to them properly. So here we have collected to encourage people to stop discrimination. Now it is the time to rise from dark and to stop segregation. So this speech is given by Martin Luther King Jr. and here he addressed that how discrimination is faced by the black people and what freedom it's supposed to be given to the white people comparatively to the black people. Now it is the time to lift our nation from the quicksand of racial injustice to solid rock of brotherhood. The citizenship rights should be given to Negro people. The people want to enter Palace of Justice. Martin Luther King Jr. suggested to always fight through non-violence movement, means by the peaceful means. Only we will fight against the injustice. Martin Luther King Jr. was the true follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst for freedom by drinking from the cup of bitterness and hatred. We must forever conduct our struggle on the high plane of dignity and discipline. He is applying to Negro people that we cannot walk alone. We must have love towards white people. There should be rights for voting for Negro living in the Mississippi and New York. Means in those days there was not having the rights for the black people in the Mississippi and New York. So the Martin Luther King Jr. is asking to give the rights to the black people in these areas. Then he says that I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up. The people living in the Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, all these people will get their rights one day. All the men will be treated equal one day. I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character. I have a dream today there should be a brotherhood between all people. So this is the speech of Martin Luther King Jr. and he addressed the people that everybody should be treated equally. White and black people are same. This topic has come under the chapter US Supreme Court, Linda Brown versus Board of Education 1954. In this lesson this topic has came. Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream.